But yeah, guys, I hope you are having a good Halloween. This is my first Halloween ever, because I'm European. Where I'm from, we don't celebrate it at all. So I've never really dressed up for this. I don't think I've cosplayed since I was 12, but it is fun, and this is something I wanted to do, and I am excited. I'm excited. We're gonna do pumpkin carving today. This one I'm not as excited for, because these are some big pumpkins. This one is manageable. This is like a normal pumpkin you'd carve on Halloween. This one's half my size. This one is... I could like put it next to my bed, and I could use it as like a fake boyfriend that I can sleep next to. What if I give him a tongue? Does it still look like Roblox Riz face with the tongue? Dude. I'm just gonna go for it. I wanna just get it done with. Actually, I could probably draw it out. Alright. I'm just gonna go like this. Hey, posture chat. I just don't wanna go. Go away, bro. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, pumpkin's so heavy.
You were absolutely right. I can see the little toes. What a bliss.
Is it everything you wanted, pumpkin? Penguin? Pumpkin. Is it like stringy still? Is there like string inside keeping it up? Oh. What's wrong with you? You're making yourself look so ugly.